Good day everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a computer's power supply. So yeah, if your power supply is faulty or you want to upgrade the power supply, I'll show you how to do that. First, to start off is getting the casing open. Usually there's 2 screws. My casing only has 1 screw. So if you remove that, you'll be able to open your casing. Let's put this down here. Okay, so this is your computer's power supply. You'll see that's where your power cable goes into. There's 2 places on your motherboard where it plugs in. That would be this cable. It's a 4-pin or 6-pin that plugs in there, and over here there's another one. I don't know if you'll see it, but I'll show you when I untangle all these wires. Also there's one plugged into this hard drive here and this hard drive, and then also for your disk drive there should be also power going in there. Okay, so with the cable sorted out again, you'll see there's a thick bunch of cables going in there, plugging into the motherboard down there. Okay, so that's a 24-pin, or if it's older motherboard, a 14-pin connected, plugs in there. It's very easy to remove both this pins. This one, there's a small clip here at the back that you can pull, and then it pulls out. You'll see mine is a 4-pin connector, and this side, same situation, just press down on the pin and pull it out. Could be difficult sometimes. So there it is. It's a 24-pin, and if you can see there at the back, this where it connects. Okay, so then your other cables from your CD-ROM, that one's already out. This is for the hard drives. You can just pull this out, pull this one out, and then your power supply is loose. Okay, so if your power supply connected, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver just to loosen screws here. There's 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Supposed to be. I see mine's only got 2 in. So yeah, let me remove those quickly. Okay, so with your screws removed, you'll see you can push the power supply backwards. When it's backwards, you can just pop it out. And there you go. There's your computer power supply removed, and you can put in the new power supply. So first of all, when you get your new power supply, I'm going to use the same power supply again to put in. You'll just pop it back in. Make sure there's no wires at the back. You can plug it in. Alright, and yeah, you can tighten your screws please remember this, otherwise your computer will not switch on. This in here. Make sure that your clip always shows upwards. Okay, and then your 24 pin, you can pop it in at the back. You'll see that on your connector at the back there should be, this side is there's a small hinge here, so it's on that side. Then you'll know that your clip that's on this side, it will need to go in like this. Okay, so pop it in. And there you go, your power supply is replaced. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more. I'll share more tips on installing and removing hardware on your computer.